If your flight got canceled today, you're not alone. A massive IT outage is causing global chaos. A global IT outage linked to cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike caused unprecedented disruptions this morning. The glitch snowballed into over 1,000 flight cancellations, grounding planes and stranding passengers worldwide. But it didn't stop there. Hospitals, banks, stock exchanges, and even government agencies were hit. From the Department of Justice to the DC Metro, the chaos was everywhere. CrowdStrike's CEO, George Kurtz, clarified, it wasn't a cyber attack, but a software defect. Yet, that didn't ease the frustration for many. While some systems were quickly restored, others faced hours of downtime. Airlines like American, United, and Delta felt the brunt, with thousands of passengers experiencing delays and cancellations. CrowdStrike assured customers they were actively resolving the issue. But for those affected today, the disruption was a stark reminder of our digital age's fragility. Stay tuned for more updates as we navigate through this tech turmoil.